In this video, let me show you how to use Cash App for freelancers. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now, if you are a freelancer trying to receive payments within Cash App, the first thing that you need to do is switch your account to a business account. So most likely your account currently is a personal profile. So what you need to do is just head over to your profile section, and within your profile section you need to scroll down a bit until you see the section called business, where it lets you switch your account to a business account. You just need to follow the on-screen prompts, and you just need to add in your legal business name and provide your social security number. So once this step is completed and once you have switched to a business account, there are multiple benefits of it, such as you'll be able to generate QR codes using your phone so that you can provide to your clients instead of the peer-to-peer transfer. Also, there is an option which lets your clients to convert the peer-to-peer payments into clear structured installments. So these are the few benefits that you get, and you should first of all convert to a business account, as I said in the beginning. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.